currently tuning a E60 525i, but today we are also going to do something bigger. We're going to overhaul the suspension on this 525i, alright? And when we say overhaul, we mean really overhaul the entire suspension, yeah, alright? Just let me show you what we're going to do here, and just let me flip this camera around, alright? And as you can see here, the suspension has already been taken out, okay? And this is the original suspension that has come off this E60, okay? And if you can see, this E60 here has already done close to 170,000 kilometers, and these shocks here, I know it has been replaced before, okay? Definitely has been replaced before. As you can see, it's the Sachs Super Touring absorbers, and this car, I noticed here, is also running on the lowered IBAC springs, yeah, okay? And when you have lowered your suspension, when you're running standard springs, it's not very good, because what will happen is that with the top strut, your your absorbers will wear out very quickly. And as you can see, a lot of the top parts has already worn out, alright? You can see the dampers here are worn out, okay? And also the buffer, yeah, or sometimes we call it the bump stops, the cover here as well. And look what we have here. Everything brand new, yeah, okay? Lower arms, okay, the upper arm rather, these are the upper arms, okay? As you can see here, these are the upper arms here, okay? And also the lower arms, yeah, a pair of those. And then we have the anti-roll bar links here as well, okay? And also the rubber parts for the springs as well, we are replacing the upper and lower ones as well. And just now you saw the buffer, right? Yep, these are the brand new buffers that goes into the front absorbers, alright? There we go, alright? The covers, this goes to the rear. We're going to do the rear as well. This goes to the rear. And okay, these are the rear top mountings, okay? And we got the front top mountings here as well, yeah, alright, the front top mountings here as well. This car is a double 1-horse engine, alright, it's a generation 1 N52 engine, and it also has the problem of the 1-horse, yeah, the 1-horse solenoid failing as well, yeah, that's actually behind here, yeah, okay, that's actually behind that, alright. And we are installing something very nice onto this car, alright, which is the Koni absorbers, alright. As you can see here, we are installing the Koni absorbers into this car, alright. And we have already removed the springs and the old absorbers, yeah. You see, it's completely dead, yeah. 壞晒咗，直頭都冇力咗There's nothing left in it, alright, the dampers. Okay, so we are removing that, changing the dampers, basically the whole lot, yeah, alright, and replacing it with the new ones, alright. And we're going to install the Konis at the back as well, yep, okay. And we will continue with the video later on once we are all done, yeah, okay. We got the spring clamps here to spring the, okay, to hold down the springs, okay. You can see these are very low springs from IBAC, yeah, okay. So it's a good thing we are installing the Konis. The Konis will work with this because they have been designed to work with lowered springs as well, yeah, okay. Yes, I forgot one thing. This conies for the front is actually top adjustable for hardness here. Alright, so we can actually use the knob here. Yeah, you can see, let me show you. We got the knob here. Yep, that we can adjust the damping of the front absorbers at the top here. Alright, and what else? Let me think, what else? That's all. Yep, now we got all the new bits. We're going to install the new bits in. Okay, we shall video and show you shortly. Okay guys, we are going to install the new buffers here, as you can see. Alright, compared to the original one, which is already totally busted. Yeah, alright. Okay, compared to that, yeah, that's totally dead. Okay, and also we're going to install the new top mountings as well. Yeah, okay. Okay, one more thing we're going to do is, because since we got the IBAC lowered springs on this car, we're going to trim this bump stop down, yeah, for the wheel travel. If we don't trim the bump stop down, this bump stop will be too thick, then you won't get much wheel travel and you'll be riding on this bump stop. Okay, that's a top tip for you guys. Alright, what else should I tell you guys? Okay, that is the this sits on the bottom of the spring. A common problem with BMWs is this spring here, the spring rubber here, usually gets flattened out. Yeah, and once it's flattened out, you get a bit of a reduced ride height. Yeah. Okay, now we have cut. Okay, just to show you here. Okay, we have trimmed down that bump stop here. Alright, you can see it here. Alright, we have trimmed down that bump stop just to give it that little bit of wheel travel. Okay, that's what we have done. And just to give you a quick comparison, yeah, we are talking about this rubber buffer here for the springs. Again, this will wear down. Yeah, and as you can see, there is already a mark here on this, and in fact there's nothing left on the travel here. Okay, so once you put back that, you can see just that few millimeters here. That's going to help. Alright, because there were a lot of clonking noise from the suspension here because of the broken bushes. Yeah. Alright, let me show you here. Okay, yeah, you can see here there are already hairline cracks in the bushes here. Yeah? Alright, and here as well. Okay, I think there's a bit of a water leak from this car. We shall check it out later and see what the issues are. Yeah, and the same for the bushes here. As you can see, that's already naked. As you can see here, the bushing here. Okay, that's already naked. Alright, thank you. Okay, we are now mounting the shocks back together. As I said earlier, we have this buffer here that we are changing. That's the old one, and the old one is already flattened down here. Hence that's why we changed them. Alright, and the top one as well is the same, as you can see here. Alright, if you don't change this, this will improve your ride height as well. Yeah, once you change these buffers. Okay, and also give you a smoother ride. And wanted to show you guys, this car has broken bush here. Yeah, you can see there are lots of cracks over here. Do not know how well you can see it. There are cracks here as well. Yep. So this particular lower arm, it's already busted. Same with this one here. It's also busted, yeah. Okay, compared to the new ones, which I will show you shortly. So that's the other damper. And also to show you, you know, I had cut down the dampers, you know, to accommodate, yep, there. Okay, the slight reduced ride height, you know. So if you don't cut it down, it will, you won't get that much of a ride height anymore. Why? Because of the problem of the non-existent wheel travel, because the car is already lowered. All right. Okay, just let me show you the new upper arm. You can see here, it's perfect here, in perfect shape. All right, and also the upper arm, okay, in perfect shape. And we are installing the original stuff back into the car, yeah. All right, cheers. Okay guys, we have almost finished installing the absorbers, you know. Yes, let us show you here. Okay, there you go. You know, now we have installed the absorbers in, and also put in the new upper arms and lower control arms as well, and together with the dampers, yeah. All right. Okay, and we are almost done. Just one more wheel to go. Yep. There you go. All right. Okay, this is not in yet, as you can see. This is the old rear dampers. Yeah. All right. As I was telling you earlier, this comes with the iBucks springs on this car, yeah. You know, so we're gonna install that back. Gonna change the springs over to the new dampers, and we also change the top mountings here. All right, the top mounting here as well, and later on it's good to go. You know, after we do the alignment, and we have already balanced the wheels on this car. Okay, on the balancing machines. The owner of this car has put in 19-inch tires, which is a tad good, and also with very wide tires, yeah, 275 30 19 tires. I would have preferred it to be 265 35 19s, and I feel that the car would be more comfortable with it, yeah. But let's see how we set this one up for this E60 here, yeah. Okay, we shall do some driving tests on the car, and we will tune it later as well. Yep. Yeah. So we'll give you further updates, you know, when we set up alignment on this car, yeah. Okay, take care. Okay, hi guys. Alright, with the E60 again here, we have now installed the entire suspension system on the car, and also now we're going to do the alignment on the car. Okay, as you see, we already got the car on the alignment hoist, right? And very quickly, I'll just give you guys a quick run through what I've done with this car again, yeah. Okay, as you guys know that we have installed changed the rear suspension in there, as you can see, yeah. All right, to the Pony yellow adjustable sport suspension. This particular car, it is running on the very low profile tires, yeah. You know, if you can see here, it's actually a 275 30 R19 tires on this car. Let's see how it rides. I feel that it's a bit big, but let's see, you know, and it's running on Cinturato P1 Pirellis. Alright, so we installed that, and we have also changed the suspension in there, if you guys can see it. Yep, let me see. We can have a peek at it. Yeah, yep, right there. Okay. So you can see we have changed the dampers. We have changed the buffers in there as well. All right. And we have also changed the lower arms. Okay. And we are adjusting. 我哋教緊咩啊？
都係鎖翻佢啫。
啊？
鎖翻佢。
哦，鎖翻嚟啊！
頭先你鬆佢啤
係啊。依家你先可以遞燈啦。
啊，係啦，而家就係
Yeah.
冇錯。
So now we have dropped the car. Now we are tightening the upper arms on the car now. All right. Because if you tighten the car while the car is being jacked up, the bushes are not in its natural position. You know, so you will tear the bushes. Yeah. So now what we are doing is we are actually tightening up, you know, the lower arm bushes now, yeah, so that it's on a natural sitting position, yeah. And also we got to remember this car is lowered as well. Okay, we have also changed the anti-roll bar bushes on this car. So basically we have actually overhauled the entire suspension system on this car, yeah. Alright, and we will put this to the alignment machine to get the caster and the alignment adjusted on this car. Alright, and I shall be back, you know, with a test drive after we have done the alignment on the car. Cheers! Alright guys, I forgot to tell you guys that this car actually has aluminium subframe here. You know, the car is very well made, and also another good thing about the E60s are the undercarriage cover on this car. The undercarriage covers on these cars are actually fully covered, you know, the bottom of the car. Yeah, so it's a very well made car. Alright. And this car had a bit of a rear rattle, you know, which we had discovered could be due to that, yeah. You know, when we are going high speed, you know, the car was rattling at the left rear end, you know, that's how I felt. So it could be this, yeah, that's giving it the rattles, yeah. There's a center kind of subframe here, alright, to hold the car together, and undercover for aerodynamics. Alright, cheers.